American Express. I have pretty much nothing negative to say about American Express. I got my very first personal card back in 2021, and I also have 4 business cards with them as well. This card has, at this time, a 21.99% interest rate. I can put up to 99 authorized users on here, and it does report. My first amount when I opened this card was for $15,000, and then I asked for another increase in November of 2021, and it got increased to $25,000. And my very last increase was last year, September 2022, and that's when I got my $50,000 increase. So with this card, this is the Blue Cash Everyday card. With this card, you can earn 3% at gas stations and supermarkets and retail stores. But once you spend $6,000 in these categories in one calendar year, then you only earn 1% back in these categories. Any other types of purchases, like if you're paying a bill or anything like that, you're only going to earn 1% back from the start with this particular card. There's the option to get all of these other benefits as well. As far as coupons are concerned, you have Under Armour, Paramount, Norton, 360. They're up to like 100 different coupons and offers that you can add to your credit card. So when you make that purchase, you'll earn that particular amount back or percentage back. These are some of the other benefits as well. In addition to earning the cash back, you have Hulu, Disney, ESPN, the offers that I showed you a few moments ago, Home Chef, purchase protection again, digital wallets, Planet, car rental, loss and damage insurance if you use this card to rent a car, Global Assist hotline where you can ask them for suggestions on a medical provider or things of that nature if you're out of town. You have the My Credit Guide, MX Auto Purchasing Program. You can send money, split purchases, Shop Runner, Credit Secure, American Express Experiences, Premium Car Rental Protection, and the Amex Carbon Emissions Tracker. So those are some of the other benefits that they offer as well. There's also Purchase Protection. It's an embedded benefit for your card membership, meaning that it doesn't cost anything extra. It doesn't require any additional enrollment. It can help protect covered purchases on eligible cards used against accidental damage or theft up to 90 days from the covered purchase date. Coverage limits apply, and it does have some exclusions as well, so you just have to read the exclusions, but that's a great benefit. So we have 3 businesses. 2 of them are LLCs. One is just a personal business, a sole proprietorship, but all of these cards for the businesses are PG'd or personally guaranteed because the businesses were brand new when we opened the cards. So we have 4 business cards, and they're of 2 separate types. The first type is the Blue Business Cash, and the second one is the Business Plus. So with the Blue Business Cash, we have 3 business credit cards of that type. And you can earn 2% on your purchases up to $50,000 each year. And then after that, you earn 1%. And it's automatically credited to your account. So you don't have to go into your account and, redeem any cash back or anything like that. It's just automatically applied to your account. So on one of the cards, the interest rate is 18.49%, and on the other 2 is 22.49%. All of these cards had a 0% introductory rate, which was about 12 to 18 months. So the second type of card we have, like I said, is the Blue Business Plus, and that one is currently at 0% interest, but after that introductory period ends, it's going to be 22.49%. Now on the Business Plus, you earn 2 times your points for the first $50,000 per calendar year and 1 point thereafter. So the Business Plus card, you don't earn cash back, you earn points. So some of the cons of American Express is the high interest rate. That's really my only con. And I would advise you, if you do get an American Express card for business purposes or personal, to take advantage of the 0% introductory period, so that, you know, you're only using it if you absolutely have to when the interest increases. My pros definitely outweigh the con. The first pro is you get 12 to 18 months, 0% interest periods when you open up your cards. You get cash back and points. It just depends on what type of card you have. I love the fact that you have the option to get cards that don't have a yearly fee. So, of course, I'm going to take the more economical way. And so none of these cards that I have personally have a yearly rate, but there are some other cards like the gold and things like that that have a yearly fee, but they also come with additional perks. So, you know, you have to weigh your pros and cons when it comes to that, the yearly fee. But the other thing that I love, of course, that you can tell is you can have multiple cards. I have 5 American Express cards. 4 of them are business cards. 1 of them is the personal. And I started out with the personal to build a relationship. And after that, it was really easy to get additional, you know, business cards, because they just did it personal guarantee, and I was good to go. The other thing that I absolutely love about American Express is that there's only one hard inquiry. So after I had that one hard inquiry to get my initial personal credit card, I didn't have any more inquiries after that for any of the other 4 credit cards that I have with them. So that's definitely a plus. Another thing I like is that you can add up to 99 authorized users. So if you have family members, friends that are trying to build their credit, you can add up to 99 of them on your cards. And also employees if it's a business card. So they have excellent customer service via the phone or the online chat. Both of them are excellent. I've never had any issues. They respond really quickly and they're extremely efficient. Their website is extremely easy to navigate, and it's easy to dispute any charges or any issues that you may have with your card. And I love that. So I give American Express a 9.5 out of 10. I highly recommend this card. This is probably my favorite credit card. Another beautiful perk about this business cash card is that you can earn $50 for referring a friend. You can earn up to $1,000 in statement credits per year. Your referral bonus annual limit has been increased from $550 to $1,000. So it used to be $550. Now they raised it up to $1,000 for referring a friend, and if they actually get approved to get one of the cards.